Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a killer truck. It's an all original 1938 Chevy pickup. Got Troy here, the owner. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Troy?
Doing well.
Man, what a nice day, huh?
Beautiful day.
Cool. So tell us about it.
Truck came out of Maryland. It's on a farm for its whole life.
Wow.
I got it from the second owner who picked it up from the original owner. And basically got it running again.
Cool.
Fuel lines, brake lines.
It's got great patina to it. Is that the original paint?
Original paint, runs great.
Cool.
One downfall, somebody had rattle canned a couple of the fenders, but I didn't touch it.
Looks good though.
Just cleaned it up.
You don't see them original like this.
The electrical harness was all done to original specs. They added right rear taillight and turn signals to the truck.
Great.
It's got the original spare tire underneath it.
You got new wide whites too, those cokers?
Yep.
Beautiful. Man, what a cool truck. And farm trucks generally have low miles too.
Yeah, it's got 52,000 on the clock.
Original miles.
Gauges work. Even the lights in the gauges still work.
Wow. Man, what a neat piece.
What else can I tell you?
Still runs on the 6-volt system.
6-volt.
It's got a 6-cylinder, straight 6?
Yep, 216.
Cool.
3-speed.
The blue flame?
No.
Okay.
I don't think they called that a
216. Yeah, blue flame came out a little bit later, right? Like 50s.
The front end of the truck is just gorgeous.
It is. I love those fogs.
Have the original tools, crank tools behind the seat.
Very neat. Did you add those fogs up front?
Yeah, we added them.
Looks really nice. Man, I love the patina of this. Runs good too, huh?
Yeah, runs very good.
Man, so neat. Love that pop-out windshield.
Want the hood open?
Yeah. Very cool stripe too. Is that original?
Yeah. Original pinstripes.
Man, original wood on the bed. That is fantastic. Man, what a cool truck. It's like
Called a 38HC.
38HC. Man, love that reflector too. Something you picked up, or was that on the truck?
Found it under the seat.
Oh my God. You know what they say, they're only original once.
Yeah.
New muffler too, I see.
Yeah.
Is that a new spare under there as well?
No.
Okay. Probably one of the original tires.
Yeah, it's the original spare.
Very cool.
I don't think it holds air.
But it's just neat.
It's got all the original electrical connectors they did when they redid the
Okay, cool. Yeah, I love those wires too. It's like as they were.
Exactly as it was.
Man, killer interior. So you redid the seat. It's beautiful. Probably how it was back in the day too, huh?
Exactly.
Very neat. 54,637 miles. Man, this is so cool. Man, love the pole. So neat. This is how they do it.
Headliner.
Man, love that wiper motor too. Is that a motor?
Wiper motor was rebuilt, correct.
Wow, and it works?
Yeah.
Very cool.
The original weather stripping is still here.
Man. It's from a simpler time.
Yeah.
It really is. That is so cool. It's got the carburetor. Is that the original carb?
Yes.
Wow. Single downdraft. Is that the original generator?
Yep.
Get the heck out of here. Man. So it's a 3-speed, huh?
Say it again?
It's a 3-speed.
3-speed, correct. Open the other side.
Yeah, let's check it out. So ornamental. All tuned up too. Cap, rotor, wires. Wires are super cool too. I love how you kept it original. Man, look at that tiny little fan.
It's amazing all the weather stripping is still there.
It really is so cool. It's like beautifully preserved. Is that the original Distributor?
Yeah.
Man, that is so neat. You know, I love restored stuff, but there's nothing like this. You know? Fuel pump too. So it's all tuned up, ready to go. Very neat.
It's got the original radiator in it. Isn't that amazing?
It is amazing. Shoot. It's almost like a work of art. As you step back in time. If I could.
Good close.
Here. The starting button is right next to the gas. So you hit them both at the same time. Amazing. Wow. So cool. Rust free too. Sounds great. Such a cool truck. Put new hubcaps on it?
Yeah.
Very nice. It looks like all the gauges work too. You have them rebuilt or they were just worked?
Nope, I got it. It's working.
Wow. That is so cool. Man, even the original key, huh? So neat.
Windshield works beautifully.
Nice air conditioning.
Yeah.
Man, love that. The original ones.
The windows go up and down
Nice and easy too.
nicely.
Very cool. We take it for a quick spin. Love the cowl too. Very neat. My God, how cool is this? Reverse. Nice low gear.
Rest.
You gotta match the gear. Yeah, it drives so nice. Very cool. I can't believe how the gauges work so neat. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give us a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. I think I took about 200 photos today. WeebyAutos.com. Thanks a lot.